Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I explain how to generate a comprehensive report of your system performance on Windows 11 and on your computer. This quick and comprehensive report helps both regular users and IT administrators discover problems with the central processing unit, memory, hard disk, network, and drivers. If your computer is slow or you're troubleshooting for someone else, this built-in Windows feature will guide you to the right solution without the need for any additional software. I'll walk you through how to create and print a system performance report step by step. I'll create this report using the built-in tool in Windows 11 called Performance Monitor. Type Performance Monitor in the search box on the taskbar, and then open it. This tool collects performance data and displays it in detailed reports. Now that the tool is open, navigate to the left panel, then click on the small arrow next to Data Collector Sets to expand it. Then click the small arrow next to System to expand it. Then right-click System Performance, and from the menu, click Start. Windows will now collect data about your system for approximately 60 seconds and create a report file in the path shown on the right side of the Performance Monitor. You can browse the path and open the collected report from this path, but I'll display it from the tool's report viewer. Click Reports on the left side to expand it, then System and System Performance. Below it, you'll find the report containing the current date and time. Click on it, and you'll see a green Run icon on the other side, collecting data. You'll have approximately 60 to 90 seconds to complete creating the report about your system's performance. After completion, you will see a summary of your system's performance, including CPU, memory, disk, network, and other detailed reports that evaluate your computer's performance. All you have to do now is open all reports in all sections so you can save or print them properly. And to print or save the report, right-click on the report and select Print. I'll print it in PDF format so you can save it and refer to it when needed. I'll quickly explain how to read the report. First, the most important section is Processor. Look for a persistently high percentage of processor time or high interruptions. Short bursts are normal, but persistent high usage indicates an out-of-control process or a faulty driver. In the Memory section, check the available megabytes and paging file activity. If available memory is low and paging is high, this explains the slowness. I'll make another video explaining how to read your system performance report in detail and how to get the most out of the report. That's all there is to today's video. We've learned how to quickly generate a system performance report in Windows 11, requiring no additional software. It's a great first step when your computer is slow or if you're an IT administrator checking on your PC's health. If you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and activate the bell so you don't miss more Windows tips and troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.